watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Today I'll be coming to you with a brand new dish. Yes, I'll be doing, spicy curry, spicy chicken curry, vegetable, spicy chicken curry, vegetable, with special seasoned rice with green peas, an assortment of green peas and other vegetable items, with Indian rice. That is my dish for today on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So the main ingredient there, of course, is chicken, and then all the other ingredients that will be incorporated into this dish here. I have chayote to my left, and I have celeries, and over there I have bell peppers, onion scallion, garlic, and potatoes, and carrots, broccolis, and carrots that will be going inside of the special seasoned rice, green peas, chicken broth to cook both the chicken and the special rice, special seasoned rice that I'll cook here today. And all the ingredients: butter, olive oil, A1 sauce, black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and of course turmeric, and assorted bell peppers. So these are all my raised in various ingredients items that will be going into this assignment project here in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV here today. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. These are my cooking vessels. This pot will be for the rice, for the special seasoned rice, and this pot will be for the spicy curry vegetable chicken. Yes, spicy curry vegetable chicken. So, without further ado, I'm going to season the chicken up and then get ready to kick off this new project in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Quick as I can because I don't want the pain to surge up too much on me. Yes, and elevate my pressure. That's my concern. Pain in my back. Pain and pressure. Alright, flame on. Alright. spicy curry. Yes. Alright. I have garlic, onions, and scallions. So I'm just going to put some garlic in it, save the rest for the rice. I'm going to add some curry into the oil. This is where the chicken is coming. Alright, I'm going to add the chicken. This is one whole chicken. Yes. These are the remaining items that I have. Here's my green peas that I'll be using into the special rice, and maybe if I have any whole grain corn, I'll be adding it into the ingredients along with these diced up carrots. These will be going into the Caesar rice. And this is the Indian rice, special Indian rice here. I have the cooking today. And this is going into the chicken. This is going into the chicken, bell peppers into the chicken, celery into the chicken, and cherry into the chicken. You're watching the recipe of cooking on the YouTube channel. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, this is my spicy vegetable curry chicken. Alright. Now I'm gonna get the seasoned rice going. Flame on. This pot will be for the rice, for the seasoned rice. Okay. Fire is on the widget. I'm gonna get some oil in here. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking on Discovery TV. So now that the chicken is on the stove, being cooked, now I'm going to get the seasoned rice going. So I'm going to get some oil in the pot and some garlic and some other seasoning and get the process going. Stage one, part one of the cooking journey of the spicy chicken curry. Alright, so I'm going to get some olive oil into the cooking vessel. Alright, and I'm going to get some garlic. Cooking and Discovery TV. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt and seasoning inside of the vessel. Yes, to change the color. See, so it's 50% less sodium, so you can see that I'm taking steps to improve my health. That's a liquid. That's a liquid from the corn, from the whole corn. That's also 50% less in sodium. Alright. Get some sea salt into the pot. That's for the rice. I'm gonna add some liquid in this now and get it ready for the rice. Alright, I'm gonna pour the chicken broth. Vessel. This is for the rice, to cook the rice with. A special recipe. Rice. Alright, I'm gonna get the celery ready. Yes, celery is going into the spicy curry chicken dish here today. Going to put the celery into the cooking vessel with the chicken. The celery has a lot of water contents, so I'm going to put that in. Yes, instead of adding the liquid right now, first I'm going to put the celery in it and see how the celery will work out. Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So today I'm cooking spicy chicken curry chicken. Yes. These are the leaves of the celery. These will be going in box. The leaves, and I have the broccoli, and I have the carrots, and the potatoes. All of these are going into the chicken. Yes, so. Alright, these are chayote in Jamaica, known as torture. These are going into the chicken. These contain a lot of liquid in them. So these are going in right now. Right now. You're watching the Winston Gel cooking